Hello everyone and welcome back to Robinhood Coins. We're about to do a quarter hunt because I finally got my 4th box of quarters. We had this box right here a couple weeks ago. It has the holes, so I know that they're circulated coins. I got this box last week and it is some beat up coins. I think they're car wash coins. They are thrashed, dented up and all kinds of crazy stuff, and it's a weird box. Then we had the tall box and these are all circulated. I checked the top 10. But I'm excited about this one because these are the type of boxes I usually get brand new coins in. So I figured we'd do the opening live. And we do have a bunch of brand new Enders Salt River Bay. That is cool. We may get some silver or some W's in there. That is exciting. We will have to crack into there. Look at that, both sides, Salt River Bay. Not the full box, it's not a full uncirculated box, but still, that is good news. We're gonna have an interesting hunt. A little bit of brand new, some car wash coins, and circulated. Let's see what we find. So since Maid Marian loves to go through the new coins looking for West Points, we're gonna kick it off with that box that has a lot of Salt River Bay brand new coins in it. We're gonna start off with that box and then we'll get into those other 3. As always, we'll be giving away something from the hunt. And all you have to do to enter is just comment on this video and then be sure to watch our next video where we'll pick the winner. Well, without further ado, let's crack into these rolls.
All right, I'm on my 2nd roll and look. Oh, sorry, you gotta come over here, honey.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah, it was kind of a mess.
That's all right. I'll take it. I will take it. That is great. So Maid Marian has found us a W. That is our first Salt River Bay West Point that we have found. We've been given one, but that is the first one we have found.
The first roll, I didn't find anything, so I was like, oh man. And then, so I got a little sloppy with my turning over.
But I'll take it. You are on the board.
All right, I am still on the 2nd roll, and look, I got another W.
Oh, I love that privy. Let me just see. Look at that privy right there. That is great. That is good stuff. Good job, baby.
Here.
As I was walking away with the phone, look, there's the one that we just looked at right there. And then as I was walking away, she pointed out that she had another one. The camera's not focusing well, but
sorry.
Good job. So I'm on my 3rd roll, and I just wanted to show you, although we had some Enders that weren't brand new 2020s, look at that roll. It is all brand new. Every single one of them. I am still working on that same roll that had full of brand new, and I found my first West Point. Look at that right there. Love that privy. That is really cool. Salt River Bay. 4 of them so far. Mama Hood is on roll 11 and she is my West Point lucky charm. Look at that. Probably a Salt River Bay. Let's check it out. And that one's a nice looking one too.
I know, I was just thinking that too. Like the front is really nice.
Yeah, that one's really, really nice. Good job.
Thanks. Okay, you can't go away whenever I'm going through a roll. We got another W.
Good job.
This one's really nice too.
And this is the 2nd one in the same roll.
It was like 2 coins away. Okay, roll 14, and I got another. I love finding W's.
I know, it is your favorite thing to look for, isn't it? That is good stuff. Another Salt River Bay.
Yep.
Another nice looking. Well, no.
It's a little beat up down here at the bottom. Can you see that?
Yeah, I do. I do. All right, keep them coming.
Yes, sir.
We are working on roll 19, and I found another West Point. Maid Marian isn't the only one that can find them. That one is good too. So that takes us up to 8 total.
All right, I'm gonna roll 24, and we got another W.
That is great. That is number 9 on the box.
Number 9.
Another good looking one too, huh?
Yeah, it's It's decent, a little bit, but yeah, no, not too bad. We're on roll 30, and I got our 10th W of the box.
There you go. Good job.
It's a little beat up at the bottom, but...
Hey, it's 10. We will take 10 West points anytime we can find them.
Yep.
I'm working on roll number 37, and we have another West Point. This one's got a few scratches on it, but it still has that cool privy, and we are excited about that. So that makes number 11. On the very next roll, roll 38, I got us number 12 for the box. And there it is. Let's keep going, see what else we can find.
Ew, sorry.
There you go. That one's a little scratched up, huh?
Yeah, can you see too, like over here?
Yeah, that one's a little beat up, but it's still a West Point.
Yep, I'll take it.
Roll 44. It's not every day that you find a coin painted this heavy in red paint. New York State Quarter, Denver minted. Look how heavy that paint is. Wow. Miscellaneous number 1. Well, there is all the discards of box number 1, and that turned out to be a pretty good box because we ended up with a total of 13 of the 2020 West Points Salt River Bay. We had a couple that I'll check for errors and varieties, a couple 2010, and some really nice state quarters underneath that Mount Hood. And we had that really heavily painted red coin, New York State. Now it's going to be time to crack into box number 2. I think we're going to start with the car wash coin box. Hopefully we find some silver, and then we'll see what else we can get. So here's that box of car wash coins laid out and ready to go. I don't know where these came from, but I call them car wash coins because they look really beat up. Every end is just tore up and dirty. I mean, it almost looks like a box that should have been removed from circulation. And they came in a box that we've never gotten. But hopefully we'll find some silver, something good in there. Let's get in there and find out.
All right, I just opened the first roll, and man, look at how beat up all these are. I just thought we'd share it because that's just crazy.
Yeah, like I said, I think these may have been sent to the scrap, and then during the coin shortage, you got put back in service.
Yeah, like caught in a fire. I don't know. Like, look.
Hopefully we find silver.
We'd share it. All right, we're on roll 11 of box number 3, and I found our first foreign of the hunt.
Yes, you did. And it looks like, what is it? Flip it over.
Belize.
Oh, wow. That is our first Belize coin.
Yeah, that's not something we find.
That we have ever found. Yeah, that is awesome.
Queen Elizabeth II.
That is very cool. All right, we are on roll 17 of box number 3. And I just came across a West Point. It's a 2019 because it doesn't have the privy. So let's see what we have here. There it is. And it's a river of no return. That is good stuff. And the river of no return is the one that I have gotten the least of out of the 2019s. So that is really cool. Maid Marian is working on roll 33, and she just handed it to me because I wanted to show it under better lighting. Look at that. At first glance, you look at the color and you think that could be silver, but those reeds are very different. That is a foreign, and we have gotten something similar to this before. I can't remember what it is. We'll have to use Coinoscope to check it out. Oh, there you go, United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates. And that's probably the year. Very cool. Thank you, honey.
Yes, you're welcome.
Well, we are all done with box number 3, and there are the discards. But that turned out to be a pretty good box. Maid Marian found the 2 foreigns. We had the Belize coin, and the United Arab Emirates coin, so that was cool. And then I found the River of No Return West Point. Don't find those very often, so that's cool. And now we have box number 4 laid out and ready to go, hoping we find some more stuff. Can we find some silver? We are working on roll number 4, and I found a West Point. I've already seen which one it is because the other side was facing up. It is a War in the Pacific. West Point right there. Good to go. We are working on roll 32, and we found a 2020 West Point. You could see the V75 right there. That is really cool. And I think this may be the first circulated West Point 2020 that I have found.
Can I flip it over?
Yeah, you can. All right, little helper here is gonna see what it is, and it's a Weir Farm.
Yes!
We have never found this. We've received one in a mail call, but we have never found one. That is awesome.
This is the best day ever.
That is great.
All right, we're on roll 42, and I found my first W of the box. It's, okay, go ahead. She's so anxious.
I know, the little helper wants to open it, and we have another Weir Farm. That is awesome.
What?
2 Weir Farms. Maybe we'll get lucky and find another one.
Oh my gosh,
That is really cool.
And we're reading Harry Potter.
All right, we're on roll 46, and I found another W. We don't know what kind it is yet, but we know it's 2020 because of the privy. All right, little helper. You can
Little
flip it
helper,
over.
let's see. Ooh, Salt River Bay. Oh, that is awesome. That makes number 14 for this hunt because we found 13 in the first box. Don't shake it though, we can't see it when you shake it. That is great. Good job, honey.
Thanks.
We are all done with box number 4, and there are the discards right there. Here's all the coins that we saved, and we have a bunch of errors and varieties to look for. Some DDOs, the Nevada Pooping Horse, that was a fun one to find. Still looking for the extra branch on the South Carolina, Philadelphia. A couple others to look for. We're gonna put these under the scope, and we'll bring you back in if we find something good. So we're looking through our 2005 Kansas State quarters minted in Philadelphia. Found a couple of the Ngodri Rust varieties. This one actually has a faded eye as well. I believe this is from grease being in the die. Not the best example. This one is kind of crazy, just the sheer number of faded letters here. And look at it, the U right next to the R. The U has a lot more detail. The D has a lot more detail than the O, but you can still see the outlines of the other letters. The ones, I have found some where the T is completely non-existent. Looks like it wasn't even there. Here is the 2015 Homestead quarter minted in Philadelphia. And as you can see right here, we have a die cut or die crack that has caused an extra piece of metal to be above the window frame right there. And just for reference, here is a coin that does not have it. So you can see right there, no extra metal. And then here's a third coin. This one also has a similar die cut right here above the window. But this one also has snow on the roof, a little bit of snow right there, a little bit of floating snow, like some sort of die crack right there, and some insane, what appears to be doubling right here on the H, a huge notch right there. And this coin looks familiar. I think Rob Fine's Treasure has found one of these, and I believe he may have even had it graded, and PCGS did not recognize it as a DDR. But still a really cool find. Well, here's the overall wrap up. We ended up finding a total of 13 Salt River Bay 2020 West Points in that half uncirculated box. So that was really cool. There it is right there. some pretty nice coins. We ended up with 2 foreigns. We had the, what was that one again? The Belize coin, that's what it was. The Belize coin. And we had the United Arab Emirates coin as well. That was pretty cool. And then we had a couple other West Points. We had a 2019 River of No Return West Point. It's been a while since we found one of those. We found a War in the Pacific West Point right there. And then we found in circulated boxes our first time ever Weir Farm 2020 West Points. Found 2 of them in that last box along with a Salt River Bay. And that was a fully circulated box, so this is a really nice one. And then we had the couple of varieties. We had the In God We Rust with the faded couple letters on those Kansas State quarters, and the Homestead with the die cuts. Overall, it was a real fun hunt, though. Alright, so now it's time to do the giveaway, or pick the winner for the giveaway on our last video, which was the $50 hunt that we did, and we're giving away 2 40% silvers that we found during that hunt. So I already copied the URL here. Let's go ahead and get the number of unique commenters. And we had 112 unique commenters. So let's get the winner right here. And US Silver Stacker, great hunt. I hope you and your family had a great Thanksgiving. We did, and thank you very much, US Silver Stacker. You win those 2 40%ers. Email me at robinhoodcoins@yahoo.com and let me know your YouTube channel name. And that way I'll send you a link to claim your prize. So the Robinhood Coins giveaway for today's video is going to be this 2020 West Point. It is a Salt River Bay 2020 West Point. And as always, to enter the giveaway, just comment on this video. And then be sure to watch our next video where we're going to pick the winner of this 2020 Salt River Bay West Point. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the hunt. It was a lot of fun. Had a good time hunting with my wife and finding all these West Points. If you did, smash that like button. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss our giveaways or our videos, and we will see you on the next hunt.